Eastbound and down the Prevost Dash. Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It's a busy Monday morning here at the mothership in Coburg, Oregon, the headquarters of the world's largest bus converter, Marathon Coach. John just turned the lights on so you can see my makeup that I don't put on. Everybody, this is a cool morning because we're going to go inside and see a coach that's almost completed, Coach 1349, and you can see it right on the other side of me, but we're sitting in a shell, an X shell. So we're going to go look at an almost completed double slide X3 as we're sitting in Coach 1361, which is a just hit the production floor X3 double slide. So if you look here, the slides are in. This coach has just been brought in. It's going to head to paint in a week. So excited for the new owners of 1361. This is a coach we're going to follow throughout production, from paint to production to install to audit, and then finally we get to see the finished product. So follow us throughout on Marathon Mondays to see 1361, which is a custom X3 double slide. And one of the things that's really cool to be able to see is, and I know we've shown it before, but I'm going to show you again because that's what we do. Take a look at that Prevost seat. Very basic. What Marathon does is they take the base of that seat, or the skeleton I like to call it, of that seat, and put a lot more padding on it, massage features, and really make it luxury. And so it's exciting to see this as it is with the Prevost Dash and as it comes straight from Prevost. So we're going to go from 1361. We are going to head over to 1349. Busy morning, as you can see on the production floor here. And also, one thing that Abigail pointed out, this coach right here, you can follow us on our Facebook and our Instagram. So look for Marathon Coach on Facebook and Instagram because we're doing a lot more content lately, showing coaches in production. And if you're interested in seeing that, it's really something you should do. So the first thing we're going to do, I think we're going to walk around this coach first, John. I want to show the backside of 1348, which is getting ready for photos. That's one of the things that we do that we don't talk a lot about on Marathon Mondays, is at the end of production, after audit, after everything is done, photos and video. Very important to document each coach, not just for whoever purchases it, or not just for marketing it to sell it, but you want to have that archive of photos and video so that owner number 4, owner number 5 can really experience it as it was when it was completed. So it's really cool. I can see that they're polishing it. And as you guys know, this is one of the paint jobs that I have gone on the record saying is one of my favorites of all time. Probably because it's got so much white in it. I just think it's so beautiful. Anyway, equally beautiful, and I'm going to show you why. 1349. Take a look. There's a lot of blue in this coach. Someone had said, I guess, on social media, we don't do enough blues. Take a look. John, I'm going to let you walk this coach. Look at the beauty and take your time going through that because that is just amazing. Look at the texturing that's in there. John's got a light on his rig there, you guys, and it really, when he hits that light on there, you can see. And also keep in mind, this coach has not been polished or detailed since it was painted. You can see us in the reflection there. I like it. I hope everyone had a good weekend. We're about a week from going down to Indio. For those of you guys who are in the desert, we're looking forward to showing you the latest from Marathon and also catching up with everybody down in the desert. So I know we've got Jim Cogley headed down there for the Halloween party, and I'm going to be about 4 or 5 days behind him. So if you're at Motor Coach Country Club, Outdoor Resorts Indio, or Desert Shores, all 3 on Avenue 48 in Indio, I'm looking forward to seeing you probably within the next week and a half, coming down there early November. Let's walk this way, John. Watch your step as we come through here. How about the plumbing bay? Everybody likes to see the plumbing bay. There's the plumbing bay, all of the water cutoffs, lots of controls. You've got a Crestron tablet in there. It's actually not a tablet, but it's a Crestron TechLink screen. But one of the cool things is everything is finished. And what I mean by that is look at how everything in here is a finished surface. And I guess one of the things that really stands out to me is, of course, the front side is going to have this beautiful cabinetry on it. But when you open it, even the back side, it's not just painted, it's laminated. You get inside here. I don't want to mess with what they're doing here, you guys. There we go. But everything has its own place. Just absolutely paying attention to detail. That's what it's all about. All right. Now this coach, John, I think we should walk around this way. It's going to be easier for you. This coach is going to audit by the end of this week. Coach 1349. And this coach has a pending deal on it. Somebody jumped on it. And that's the thing that's going on right now in our industry is coaches are selling so quickly. But we do have a coach, an X3, on the floor. If you're looking to get into an X3 right away, we have a coach on the floor, 1325. It's on our website. Feel free to reach out to me, MALW, that's MalW, at marathoncoach.com. All right, all right. That was a little bit of Matthew McConaughey, wasn't it? All right, all right, all right. Yeah, I love this laminate color, you guys. Very beautiful. I love, it's the glossy. It's not the high gloss, but it's a glossy finish in this dark black and gray. Wow. Look at this water closet, John. I like the wall finishing in here. The wall covering that's in here is really, really nice. Beautiful. I'm not going to go too far into this coach because I want to show it to you when it gets completed. But like I said, this coach has been sold, and we've got more coaches for you. If you're looking to get into an X, 1325 is available. All right, John. Here's another thing that I'm going to point out. When we're in production and something is completed, one of the things they like to do is cover everything up with protective coverings. Everything from, as you see, this entire countertop is covered, but it also, to protect this Corian top, this hard surface, it's got this tape over it. And you can see this tape is over the mirrors, is over this. Our staff goes to great lengths to make sure that the coach is taken care of through production. It's really nice. Okay. Yep, about a week to go until it goes to audit. So you've got audit, and then you've got audit work off, because there's going to be things that need to be looked at when it's after audit. And then you got decor. So it's going to be decored for the owner of the coach, and then it goes to photos and video, and then the delivery to the new owners. John, let's watch your step as we boogie out this way. So not much more I can show you on this coach, and I really don't want to show you too much more because I want you to want more. I want you to come back and say, hey, I want to see 1349 when it's completed. And that's something that I'm really excited about. Let's walk this way since we have a little bit more time. And if Abigail has any questions that are coming in, feel free to throw them my way, Abigail. Oh, let's look at here. I always like snooping around Let's see what we got. Oh boy, this is pretty. Let's take a look. Here is, wow, this is a co-pilot seat, you guys. And this is from 1349, the coach we just saw. Isn't that beautiful? I'll come back after the show and recover that. Actually, you know what? I just got done talking about how everybody goes to great lengths to cover things. I'm not even gonna let it sit out here for another minute. I'm gonna cover it to make sure it stays clean. There we go. That's pretty. I love walking our production floor. We get to do that a lot and see things like that just came out of our upholstery shop, or things that came out of our cabinet shop, and coaches that are nearing completion, like 1349 behind us and 1348. So really exciting. Abigail, you got any thoughts?
Yeah.
All right, Abigail, what do you got for us for questions today?
Well, less of a question and more of a request. People want to take a little bit of a look at this guy right here.
Yeah, let's do it. Since we're here, I'm going to move this ladder out of the way, John, because one of the really defining things about the back of that coach, or of this coach, is the backside of this coach. And keep in mind they're right now in polishing, but what an amazing paint job. This is something that I saw when it came right out of paint, you guys, and it just blew me away. The fades, how that, yeah, John's getting a good shot of it right there. That fades from like a dark into this more yellowish gold. It's just stunning. John, let's walk this way and give him a little bit more. I like the offset Marathon Coach logo. You know, this is another thing that I really like about what Marathon does. We don't have a blasted big logo on the back of the coach. We have a nice, subtle, classy logo. We have a logo, but it's subtle and classy, and I really like that about what Marathon does on the back of the coach. Here's a really good shot with good lighting of the different features of 1348 paint job. Let's walk down this way, John, and take a look. When you see this in person, there's no doubt Marathon is putting out the best paint jobs in the industry. And we've stepped it up. I will admit that. We have stepped it up. Over the last year, if you look at where Marathon was a year ago with our paint jobs to now, we were doing beautiful paint jobs a year ago, but we've gotten more aggressive with the style. We've gotten into a lot more textures, a lot more colors, a lot more fades, and doing things like this, the little details. Look at the pinstriping on that Marathon logo. I like this entry door too, John. That's really pretty. And I don't want to show 1349 really until it gets completed. 1348, which is where I'm at. Triple slide super bath, you guys. Other than that, have a good week. If you're looking to get into a coach, MALW, MalW at marathoncoach.com. Reach out to me if you're looking to consign your coach. I can also help you with that. Be yourself and do good things, you guys. Be safe, take care of each other, and I'll see you next Monday. And we're getting ready to go to Indio, so if you're going to be down in the desert, let me know. I'd love to talk to you about the coaches that we have coming, and we'll see you next Monday. Take care.